Hey guys, just wanted to take advantage of this nice weather as we are bracing for another snowstorm here in New Jersey. Wanted to do a quick video on something that I just purchased. I've been trying to figure out what I want to do about my floor mats. I was looking around for different custom made ones as well as the factory 1LE mats that are substantially better than the factories that came here. While doing my research, I stumbled upon these custom made specifically for Camaro. Not a very typical floor mats that you would normally see. So let me show you what I'm talking about. So here they are. I already installed them. I didn't feel like showing a video how to install floor mats. I'm sure each and every one of you can do it by yourselves. But as you can see, this is really a custom made job specifically for the car. They made a mold of each location. So for the driver and the passenger and the rear seats, and I'll show both of them to you in just a second. But as you can see, it is a very well done floor mat. It's a pleather, but a very tough one, so I wouldn't worry about, scratching it. It is waterproof, so it'll work as an all-season floor mat. I really dig this floor plate, heel plate I should say. It's got little leather inserts so your feet won't slide, but it is sort of like a copper accent. It is metal, it's not plastic. It is kind of cool. Alright, and obviously the stitching matches my red hot paint, as well as the pedals on the steering wheel and a little stitching on that suede dash insert. So let me show you the rear seat. As you can see, same thing. It kind of goes up on all the sides and up the seat and right underneath the seat itself. So it covers nicely, especially as the kid's sitting in the back and keep kicking the back seat. This will give a little extra protection as well. One other quick note to show you, you probably see these clips right here. What they do is these are a hideaway plastic clips, so they do help to keep the mats in place so they don't come out of its position. All right, what I also did is I used a little plastic tool to insert these right under the seat. All right, let's take a look at the other side. All right, so here's the passenger side. Again, same story. Goes all the way up. Has those clips to hold it in place. And this side as well. So I think it's pretty cool. I think it's a little different. Obviously, it's not for everyone. All depends on your taste, but I think it matches well with my interior theme as well as the exterior color. They do have it in different stitching, and I will leave a couple of links of where I found these, so you can make your own decision whether you like this or not. But I think it is pretty cool. It's not very expensive, so again, probably within the same price range as you would get the 1LE ones or the SS, or whichever one you would go from the factory. All right. So hopefully this gave you some ideas, whether if you're looking for floor mats or something to change up your interior a little bit. I like it. I think it's a little different. I have a few other parts on order that should be coming in soon. Hopefully the weather will cooperate in the next week or so, and I can start doing some other installs and can bring you a few other videos. So stay tuned. More installs are coming up. Take care.